Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with the phone. And the first one what we can do is to restart audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or something else. Just remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we need to check if you have the last software version. So open the application, click on your earbuds, scroll down, and right here we have update. Click on it. It's checking. It said that I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also, what can help you is to restart your device. So I use a phone. I can try to restart the phone. And the last one is to perform a hard reset. So open Bluetooth, now put your earbuds to the charging case, and right here we have this connection button. Press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing red. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove it from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!